And now, let's change the DSG shifter knob for one from a Golf R. Let's go! Now that the DSG shifter is out, I also want to change the start engine button, because the letters on the button aren't that nice anymore, as you can see. So let's replace it as well.
Wow.
To install the new shifter knob, you first have to lock the cable attachment into the service position by pushing it down until it clicks in place. We've almost reached 20k subscribers, so I managed to arrange a little giveaway for you guys. I have an original brand new 6-speed gear knob from an Audi S3 from 2016, which I can give away for you guys. You can retrofit this into every car with a 6-speed manual, like I did in the Golf MK4. So if you want the shifter knob, just leave a comment down below this video with hashtag 20k giveaway and let me know why you should have it. Next to that, I got another announcement to make. I recently got in contact with Moman, and Moman is a company in Poland which creates custom dials for basically every car out there, from glowing gouges to replacement dials. And we are doing a collaboration in the next project video, where I will be retrofitting my dials with the custom Golf R dials that I got from Moman. So be on the lookout for that video. So that's it for this one. See you guys in the next project video, and as usual, a little B-roll at the end. Enjoy!